window into heaven. I can close my eyes and see where there are no earthly struggles. In our soul there is set free. There the deaf and lame are shouting, 'cause the blind can finally see. And all those crippled legs are dancing out across that crystal sea. There's a special place in heaven where all the unborn babies play, and they're rocked in arms by mamas whose chances slipped away. All the unwanted children say our daddy's the king, and there's smiles on everybody's faces as they spin around and sing. Don't that sound like heaven? And don't it sound like home, where the Son of God is reigning? All of our tears, they're finally gone. Don't that sound like heaven? And don't it sound like home? Darkness there, it's overtaken by the light that's always on. The cost of heaven was so expensive, but you don't have to worry about a thing. See, it was paid in full by Jesus when he died upon that tree. And everything he ever promised will be there just like he said, as an eternal reminder of the precious blood he shed. Don't that sound like heaven? And don't it sound like home, where the Son of God is reigning? All our tears, they're finally gone. Don't that sound like heaven? And don't it sound like home? Darkness there is overtaken, 'cause the light is always on.